Hello there. Welcome to Guide Pulse. Today, I'm excited to share a review of Bluehost.com with you. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So, what is Bluehost and what do they do? Bluehost is a great platform where you can host your website, get free domains, and access WordPress. It's perfect for getting your website up and running in just minutes. Let's start with the positives. One of the best things about Bluehost is that it comes with WordPress. Basically, WordPress allows you to get access to templates. So let's say you're creating a website on fashion design. There's going to be a template on fashion design. So all you have to do is click on that fashion design website template that you like, and just like that, it's yours. So it's super easy to use because it's basically like you're making your own website when you don't have to code anything. The other good thing about Bluehost is its affordability. Normally, it's around $12, but with the 75% discount they are currently running, you can get 10 websites for one whole month with a free domain, 10 GB SSD storage, and free professional emails with their basic plan for just $2.95. So there's a lot going in for just that payment of $2.95. Bluehost provides various options to suit different needs. Whether you're running a large company that needs lots of traffic or just starting out, you can find a plan that works for you. The other thing I love about Bluehost is it's super easy to get help. There's always someone available online, you can contact them, and they're super quick in addressing any issues you might face. Let's say your website is lagging or something's not working with your admin. And so if you reached out, you would get a response within a few minutes. So if you're trying to run a website and you don't know how the response is going to be, with Bluehost, you do not have to worry about that at all. Bluehost is used by over 2 million people worldwide. So there are 2 million plans that are active on Bluehost.com. WordPress is continuously recommending Bluehost because when you buy Bluehost, you don't have to buy WordPress. And WordPress is basically like a graphic design asset for your website, so you don't have to code anything. You just in Bluehost make your WordPress site and you're done. So it's super easy to use, super affordable, super fast, basically amazing. There's one minor drawback. You might face some extra fees when you first sign up, such as privacy or registration fees. However, even with these additional costs, the overall value remains excellent, and you can cancel or adjust your plan at any time. If you're considering starting a website, I highly recommend checking out Bluehost. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you might have. See you next time.